S&P 500 Complete is your go-to for regular updates on all 500 stocks. Subscribe so you never miss out. Let's jump in. Digital Realty Trust, ticker DLR, just crushed earnings expectations by over 600%. They reported earnings per share of $2.94 versus estimates of just 41 cents. That's right, they beat by over 6 times what analysts expected. This data center REIT could be sitting on a massive opportunity as AI and cloud computing explode. First, let's talk about their hyperscale fund partnerships. They've just unlocked $10 billion in development capital. This is game-changing because DLR only needs to put up 20% equity while earning full management fees and getting 12.2% stabilized yields. That's incredible leverage without the debt risk. Second, their interconnection business is absolutely on fire. They just posted record bookings of $90 million in Q2, up 36% quarter over quarter. And here's the kicker, over 70% of new leases include at least 4% annual escalators. That's automatic rent increases locked in. Third, management just raised full-year guidance to $7.15 to $7.25 per share in core FFO. That's after already beating expectations. Revenue jumped 11% year over year to $1.49 billion, with a 74% EBITDA margin. This is a cash flow machine. Fourth, the valuation looks compelling. DLR trades at just 23 times funds from operations, while competitors like Equinix trade at 26 times. Multiple analysts, including RBC Capital and JP Morgan, just upgraded with $200+ price targets. That's nearly 15% upside from here. And fifth, they have a massive 5-gigawatt land bank and $9 billion development pipeline that's 98% pre-leased. That means guaranteed cash flows the moment these facilities come online. Plus, with only 1% customer churn, these revenues are incredibly sticky. Now, I have to be honest, there is one major concern that keeps me up at night. Their debt situation is getting stretched, with $16.7 billion in total debt and net Debt-to-EBITDA at 4.8 times. That's dangerously close to their 6 times covenant maximum. If interest rates spike or they hit any operational hiccups, they could face serious refinancing pressure. The bear case sees potential downside to $120 if these headwinds materialize. So that's the quick breakdown. Explosive growth potential, but real leverage concerns. What do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on DLR? If you want the complete bull and bear research reports with all the data and analysis, drop a comment and let me know your take.